Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Museum of Geology. Today I am starting from mineral number 131, which is monazite. So the crystal system of monazite is small, flattened or elongated crystals, and the habit is mostly massive or as detrital grains. The hardness of monazite is ranging from 5 to 5.5. The specific gravity is 5.2. The luster is resinous. The color is yellow to reddish brown. The streak is white. Cleavage is imperfect and the fracture is uneven. The occurrences of monazite are accessory mineral in acid, igneous rocks, in pegmatite dikes, commercially found in detrital sands. Number 132 is microcline. The family of microcline is feldspars. The crystal system is prismatic and the habit is massive or granular. The hardness is 6 and the specific gravity is 2.56. Luster is vitreous. Color will be white, grey, pink, bright green or amazonite. The streak will be white and cleavage is perfect. The fracture is conchoidal or uneven. The occurrences of microcline are acid igneous rocks, pegmatites, also metamorphic rocks. Number 133 is muscovite. So the habit of muscovite is tabular, usually platy, massive or flax. The hardness is 2.5 and specific gravity is 2.85. Luster is vitreous and the color will be pale brown, green or colorless. The streak will be white and cleavage is perfect. The occurrences of muscovites are granite, pegmatite, schist, greason, detrital mineral plates, flexible and elastic. And the family of muscovites are micas. Number 134 is nepheline. The habit of nepheline is irregular, or we can say irregular massive. Hardness is 6 and specific gravity is 2.6. Luster is vitreous. Color will be white, grey or brown or yellowish. The streak is white. The cleavage is imperfect and the fracture will be subconchoidal. The occurrences of nepheline are unsaturated, soda-rich volcanic and plutonic igneous rocks and in pegmatites. And the family of nepheline is feldspathoids. So viewers, these are the important physical characters of minerals. Let's wait for my next video for more information about the minerals. Thank you.